we assess his punishment at confinement in the institutional division of the Texas Department of Criminal Justice for a term of 50 years. No fine assessed. Do you wish to have him polled?
Yes, Your Honor.
Jury list one more time. Thank you. Okay, same thing, ladies and gentlemen. I'm going to call your last name. If you agree with the verdict, say yes. If you don't, for some reason, say no. Nieta? Okay, ladies and gentlemen, I'm going to accept and receive your verdict. At this time, Mr. Delgado, would you and counsel please approach the bench for me? The jury, having returned a verdict of 50 years in the institutional division of the Texas Department of Criminal Justice, is there any legal reason why we should not proceed to sentencing at this time?
No, Your Honor.
Then, Mr. Delgado, I will accept the verdict, assess a 50-year term in the institutional division of the Texas Department of Criminal Justice. You will receive credit for any time you've been incarcerated pursuant to the law, and you have 30 days in which to file a motion for new trial and notice of appeal, which your lawyer can further advise you on. You'll have a seat over there. I believe we may have some victim impact statements.
Your Honor, one question.
Any victim impact?
Yes, yes, Your Honor. Will we be going off the record?
Just to go off the record pursuant to the.
Yeah. Correct, yeah.
Yes.
Yeah. That's the rule. You don't have to ask me. I follow the rules. Okay, my understanding, y'all can have a seat there if you don't mind. And I believe they come up to the bench for security purposes, and we do the victim impact from right here. Ladies and gentlemen of the jury, this is an opportunity now that the sentence has been heard and imposed for individuals affected by the case to address the court or to address the jury or to address the defendant directly. And for security reasons, we ask them to come right up here, please. And as I indicated, you can face me, you can face the jury, or you can face the defendant. You may proceed.
There are no words that can truly capture what I felt like that day you shot me. My life changed forever. In that moment, I faced with unimaginable pain and fear and overwhelming questions of whether I would survive and see our daughters again. And yet, by the grace of God, I'm still here to see the day of light. I am a living miracle, and I thank Him every day for giving me the strength, not just to survive, but to keep moving forward for our children. What happened that day will never be forgotten. The physical scars are constant reminders of the violence I endured. The emotional wounds are deeper, and the trauma, the fear, and the loss of sense of safety and the road of healing, it still continues. You didn't just try to take away, you changed everything. You changed our daughters' lives forever as well. They are victims too. They carry trauma of what you did. Even if they didn't see it with their own eyes, they feel the pain in ways you may never understand. You didn't just hurt me. You hurt them, you hurt my family and your family, the people who trusted you, who believed in you, and who carried a different kind of wound. And yet, despite everything, I forgive you, Billy. That forgiveness does not mean I forgot. It does not excuse what you did or erase the pain you caused. It means I chose peace over hate. I choose not to let that moment define who I am or to change me to anger. My faith has carried me through the darkest hours, and that's the faith that gave me the strength to forgive you, not for your sake, but for my own and for the sake of our daughters. Whatever you did forever altered my life, but it has not destroyed me. You took so much, but you did not take my will to live, my faith, or my dignity. I hope you one day truly understand the gravity of your actions. I hope you find the accountability and maybe one day redemption, but that is between you and God. I speak the words not from bitterness, but from the truth. And I share them because I believe that the truth deserves to be heard, just as I deserve to heal. Thank you.
Thank you, ma'am.